how to find inbox active status settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the inbox active status settings on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now click this settings icon in the top corner, and here you will find this one, active status. Click on it, and here you will find this one, say active status in inbox. If you want to turn it on, you can click on it, and you can turn it off again just by one click. And that's how to find inbox active status on Messenger Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and then see you in the next video.